Good morning, day. Ano tayo ngayon? Day 4?
69.
Day 4. We are in Warner Bros. Studio Tour. Tokyo. The making of Harry Potter. So, medyo late na tayo. Sana papasukan tayo. Ganda dito. Parang ano talaga oh. Parang school talaga. Like super laki. Dala-dala natin yung luggage. Kasi, diretso na tayo sa Kyoto after Harry Potter. Pero drop off muna tayo saglit sa Mount Fuji para mag-take pictures. Hopefully, hindi pa gabi. Because during this time, maaga yung gabi nila, like 4:30. Parang 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. na sa atin. Oh, ang ganda! Oh, ang ganda! Ginkgo tree. Yan ba yun? Yung mga yellow leaves. I think that's it. Ito yung main entrance. So, ito na siya. Harry Potter. Nandiyan na siya. Ito yung entrance na Harry Potter. Ay! Ba't umikot yung camera? Tara, Ryan. Ito yung dragon. Bye-bye. Sit na kami. On the way to Kyoto. Ha? Every car, siguro. Tapos, punta tayong Kyoto. Tapos, stop by Mount Fuji saglit. Dito tayo sa Shinkansen Station. Kasi mag-bullet train tayo. May ice cream.
Ba't kinawin pa rin?
Sige. Ano to? Ice cream din? Ice cream. Ice chocolate banana. Drinks? Ay, drinks. Ito. Ganito binili mo. So, ang car number natin ay 13. Sa Shinkansen may specific car number. Tapos ang kinuha natin na seat is the Mount Fuji side. Para kita natin yung Mount Fuji from the train. Super laki ng station na to. Hindi ka talaga mawawala kasi ang lalaki ng signs. So, sa atin is ito. Yung 304, Kodama 735.
到着いたします。黄色い点字ブロックの内側までお下がりください。自由席は1号車から3号車です。この列車は途中に新横浜、長野、京都、新大阪、新神戸、姫路、岡山、福山に停まります。のぞみ、
Video mo yung take-out din ng ganun. Okay.
Dito tayo na side. Yan. Ah.
足元にご注意ください。小さなお子様の目をお立てください。
下回りますと次は新横浜に停まります。
Number 2 sana. Sige lang. Kaya? On the way to Kyoto. Nakasakay kami ng bullet train. Parang ang bagal niya, pero super bilis. Sa labas.
Ito, ano to?
Yung sabay tumawa. Ano daw yan? Ano daw yan? Sabi niya, ayan. Ano pa? Wala pa CR dito, no? Yung mga bahay na cute, oh.
This is Zona Super Express bound to Osaka. Travel is stopping at four stations. Before
Mount Fuji.
Kitang-kita yung mga Ano masasabi mo, Bembem?
Ganda, nasira
Yung? Tara, taxi tayo.
We're going to purchase a new menu. Sakay kami ng taxi sa Japan for the first time. Ito yung kasama ko matanda, laging nagagalit. Ang ganda yung Fuji. Ayun siya, oh. Natabunan ng poste. Arigatou gozaimasu. Mali. Dito na kami sa iconic bridge. Bridge to Mount Fuji. Punta dito. Ganda. Ang ganda sa malapitan. Fuji up close. Kasi may poste. Sa gilid. Dito na lang. Fujisan. This is Fujisan. Yung mga bahay dito, sobrang lamig dito. Hindi naman super lamig, mahangin lang. Kaya parang ang lamig. Hanap mo siya ng gloves niya, oh.
May ano ka dyan? Face mask?
Asan yung face mask mo?
Ano ba extra?
Meron. Hello! Andito tayo sa Fujisan at tayo ay nanginginig sa lamig.
Ay, hindi ako nanginginig. Sanay na ako sa ganito.
Naka full gear pa, naka heat-tech leggings pa yan si Ryan at
Hindi,
saka
sanay na ako
naka
sa ganito talaga.
heat-tech long
Ayun, no?
sleeve.
Doon, no? Ano yun?
Hanap tayo
Ano
ng
yun nandun?
kainan dito.
Tingnan natin yung nandun.
Hanap tayo ng kainan dito sa Fujisan.
Ito, ano ba dito? Ramen?
Ano yan?
Ramen yata
Vending
dito.
machine?
Saan ba dito? Subukan natin dito, Jola.
Walang tao. Ano pa lang, 5 p.m. pero paggabi na ngayon dito. Tara, ano ba? Gusto mo?
Yan.
Pedestrian dito, oh. Mag-11 na. Kakarating lang namin sa aming accommodation. Nakarating na natin sa ating accommodation sa Kyoto. Bawal mag-ingay. Ito yung ating room. Japanese room. Sarado muna natin. Lock. Ayun yung lock. Oh, amazing. Ito yung ating higaan. Japanese futon. Ayan. Cozy. Tingnan natin. Buksan kaya natin to. Oh, pwede buksan. Uy, ayos ah. Japanese light. Blue light. 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven. From 7-Eleven.
Ano? Linis.
Ang ganun ano.
Noodles.
Mga Chinese.
Do you want to...
Uploads.
Perfect.
Yan pala yung topic na nakita ko.
Oo. Galing sa
Kaya tinanong kita kung gusto mo toothpick. Careful tayo dito bawat maliit.
Dito?
Oh, kasi kapag feel, Kunyari, na-feel natin ang pagkain. May feel. Kapag nilinis.
Yung buti pa hotel, no? Okay, hi. Buti na mo.
Nagkatikim yan. Hindi lang. Tikim lang. Ba't parang walang kare?
Yan.
Hindi man sabi.
I'm gonna try to change her face as much as I can while making it look real. So here we are in Photoshop. Let's see what AI cooks. AI cook. Yep.
Oh.
Okay na din. Hirap na.
Sarap siya. Ang finish.
Let's just make it generic. Save changes. This is our official Facebook account, Nancy Oswald. Looks pretty real if you ask me. Write a welcome post. Just fed my dog, about to wake up the kids for school. That will make my account look much better, so when people go to actually look at it, they won't think it's fake. These are the Facebook groups, just so you guys can get an idea of what Facebook groups are. DIY home projects, 640,000 members. There is a Facebook group for absolutely everything. Florida birds and wildlife, romantic homes and gardens, tree climbing tips and tricks. There is literally a group for everything. Let's type in vegan, join me. Oh, I literally just get
Wala namang laman.
There's some rules though. Be kind and
Tama.
courteous. No hate speech or bullying, no promotions or scams. So just like that, we are in vegan and plant-based recipes. Let's join a bunch of these. Vegans for life, join. Black vegans, join. Vegan, join.
Tikman mo
Your
nga ba?
membership is pending approval. Answer these
Taste
questions
test.
from the group's admin to
Indian yan, ah.
who you request and join.
Yan yung
Why would you
mamahal,
like to
Ann
join
Curtis
this group?
bottle.
I asked ChatGPT, I'm trying to join a Facebook group for vegans. Write me an answer to why would you like to join this group? Let's see what it cooks up. Hi, I'm really interested in learning about veganism and connecting with the supportive community. Copy, paste, submit. Hopefully we get
Yeah.
it. Let's
Yun
check
yung
out
ano,
the Black
ni
Vegan.
Ann
How
Curtis.
should I post in the group? Hi, I'm new here. How is everyone? Post. Your post is pending. The vegan group, 72,000 members. Are you a vegan or genuinely interested in going vegan? Let's copy and paste the same message. Submit. Vegans for life. Someone posted a picture of a bunch of cows. What is this picture? Vegan versus non-vegan. Okay. Have a cruelty-free Halloween. What does that even mean? I love animals and I eat meat. Average
Feel ko sa
here.
babae na
Really?
siya
I love
natutulog.
people and I eat them. That's dark.
Yung babae
Here's
natin.
Facebook groups. Adult babies.
Kasi bahay ni Charlotte.
This Facebook
Hindi
group
siya ang tanong.
is a group full of adults that act like
Ano sa lang ba?
babies. That might be the
Ano yung
sickest
jowa
thing
niya
I've
doon?
ever heard. How is there 900 people in here? This
Siguro
guy likes
nasa
to act
ano,
like a baby.
nasa
What
ano
the
yung
fuck?
office
So
niya.
why are you in
Sa
the
mga
what's the
CPD, cities, doon na sila.
I had to ask.
Kasi parang
You
probinsya
can't like
yung
not
Pilipinas.
ask that. Michigan adult babies. Diaper lovers?
Tama.
Oh my god. This is a group for people
Ba't
in
natin?
Michigan who are interested in diapers. The admin of
Hindi
the
pa sa
group, his
7-Eleven,
name is
makakain ka mo ayun.
Offender.
Yung,
This is who's
yung
in
mga
the
nakainan natin na iba parang din.
Oh, hell no.
Parang gusto ko nga
There is
kumain
some
ng
weird
dito.
ass people on earth. Adult
Pero ganun lang din
babies,
presyo.
bro. Are you kidding? It is a group
Hindi,
for people that
ano,
are
diba?
adult babies and wear diapers and act like babies. Jeez, oh my god. Why is there so many groups for people like this? Let's see the people in this. God. Oh. Okay, so this guy likes to act like a baby. Okay, let's send him a message.
Anong
This guy,
restaurant yung
Ron,
nakainan ka
definitely
masarap?
not a baby. Hey Ron, I'm curious to see
Sana
if you
okay
was
naman.
on. Honestly, I could sneak my way into a
Tempura.
mom's community. Alright,
Ah,
let's
si
read some
Sushi, okay
posts
din si
here.
Sushi.
Hey ladies, how are you? Make
Yun
sure
pa
you
naman
make
yung
sure you
nakainan
come on
natin.
the side.
Yung
Let's give
iba
us some
naka-
posts. Just so
Ano sa
both
itinerary,
of
di ba
my
natin
kids were
Ayun,
5
diba?
bands. It was so worth it.
Oo nga.
Oh, I just got declined. Like, this lady is someone's
Nagsispray ka
grandmother.
rin.
You are not a baby, miss. Let's go to
Nakalagay
the
nga.
posts. Hello, I'm mommy. I need a female and male sissy baby. No limitations. Real age above 22 years old. Oh no. Oh my god, her house is full of diapers. Nah, this is fucking weird. She has a
What a
crib.
weird.
No baby. Diapers, diapers, diapers. I'm a mommy and I love caring for babies. I got a
Oh,
nursery
weird.
school and I'll get my baby adopted and also live with her.
Yung mga ganyan ka weird
Change
yung mga tao.
diapers, spanking. Oh my god. What is this? Is this real life? She has a.
I'd say that this looks like a missile silo. The entire world, a crane, a literal
Si ano?
UFO, an apocalypse bunker, whatever this is.
Silo.
Today I'm leaving America to go stay in the most strange Airbnbs on the entire planet that you won't believe are real. However, I must have an OMG moment at each location, otherwise I have to leave a 1-star review, and I hate 1-star reviews. Also, I have to buy a dog pillow that he
Ah, walang rice ko.
because I know it's an Airbnb when I walk in and I
Walang rice?
I've said this before and I'll say it again.
Kain mo na.
If it's a
Bye-bye.
good